I'm thirsty. I'll get some water. Ah, that hits the spot. I turn off the lights. Knumpit playing. Now I can play in the dark. I turn off the lights. I wash the dishes. Knim lang chan. All clean. Knyum samato. I clean the table. I clean the table. All clean now. I eat my dinner. I taste the food. I taste the food. Yummy! This is so tasty! I cook some dinner. I add some salt. I take some food out. I cut the vegetables. I go to the kitchen. I open the fridge. I change my clothes. I wear my slippers. I feel fresh again. I drink some water. I wash my hands. I wash my face. I wash my hands. I wash my face. I keep my bag down. I take off my shoes. Whee! Yay, barefoot!
I'm home! Yay, you're back!
We missed you.
I missed you too.
I change my clothes. I change my clothes. I drink some water. I drink some water. I drink some water. I keep my bag down. I wash my hands. I wash my face. I feel fresh again. I open the fridge. I take some food out. I cut the vegetables. I cook some dinner. I wear my slippers.
I wear my slippers.
I wear my slippers.
I go to the kitchen.
I go to the kitchen. I am dirty. I am dirty. I am clean. I am clean.